So we all know Melody and Martell went to court this past week, and the morning of their court hearing, Melody posted the Queen chess piece, and in her caption, she put hashtag checkmate. So they went to court. Nobody really knew what was going on, but Urban Belle magazine reported just a few hours ago on the case, and it looks like the judge is finally getting fed up with Martell's antics. So I'm going to go ahead and read the article. Now, it is written by AJ Niles, and it says Alabama court issues scathing order against Martel Holt in dispute with melodyshari. Now, it goes on to say an Alabama court feels Martel Holt blatantly disregarded court orders on counseling and punishment. Love and Marriage Huntsville stars Martel Holt and melodyshari Rogers were in court this week for a hearing in their ongoing custody dispute. The hearing pertained to Melody and her attorney, who filed an emergency motion. The emergency motion is to enforce previous orders that Martel undergo psychological evaluations and counseling with their minor son. As previously reported by Urban Belle, Melody originally filed a grievance against Martel last July, accusing Martel of using corporal punishment against their children. This included allegations of punching and choking their son. These allegations left a sour feeling amongst many Love and Marriage Huntsville fans. The judge over the case issued an order that seems to be a scathing rebuke of Martel's behavior. It appears Martel had an apparent blatant disregard for the court's orders. It goes on to say the court document for the order, obtained exclusively by Urban Belle, declared on March 9th, 2022, that Martel get involved with counseling with their minor son per the previous decrees. Another order issued in September 2022 forbids Martel from using corporal punishment. Per the order, the court declared Martel failed to seek the psychological evaluation. It took the emergency motion for Martel to comply almost 2 years later. The court felt convinced that Martel blatantly ignored the order and used corporal punishment against their children. The counselor declared an expert by the court found that Martel's disregard of the orders of counseling, their children reported emotional backlash. Now, the article goes on to say that Melody Rogers scores a win in her ongoing custody battle with Martel Holt. As a result of the court's declarations, Martel is now at serious risk of losing his visitation rights to his children. He has been ordered to comply with the original order of weekly counseling immediately and participate in twice monthly family counseling with his children. Failure to comply with this order will result in losing his visitation rights. Now, here's the kicker in all of this. It says Martel must also pay melodyshari $7,000 towards her legal fees. He must also schedule his remaining visits for his psychological evaluation. Their next hearing for this case is October 16th, 2024. Now, how ironic it is that Martel must now pay Melody's legal fees. We remember when he tried to get her to pay his fees, and I think the judge might have threw that out. It did not. I don't think that ever happened. But you guys, let me know your thoughts about all of this. I think the judge is finally catching on and seeing what she's dealing with here. Martel acts like he doesn't like to take orders from anyone, but I think if he keeps it up, he's going to find himself in a really bad situation. But comment below, you guys. Let me know your thoughts about all of this. As always, I thank you all for watching and listening, and I will talk to you in the next video. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up and make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from What's Happening.